So what do you think of this? This is some cupboards that I've installed in my hallway. IKEA cupboards, the Besta range, thin versions. I had the idea of putting some cupboards up or something up to put shoes in, but all those shoe cabinets that you come across are absolute trash. Worst thing I just could not find a good one. And when I did find a good one, 10 weeks shipping from China or something silly like that. So what I decided to do, I got these thin cupboards from IKEA. They hang on the wall a bit like a kitchen cupboard with a metal support bar. And so not only have we got shoe storage, but we've got a cupboard at the top there for your bits and bobs, spare keys, etc. Then two cupboards down, you can get about 8 to 10 pairs of shoes in those. But this is the pièce de résistance for someone who's techie. So I installed a USB charger and some electric, and we've kept all our Bluetooth, sort of speakers, battery packs, rechargeable batteries, headphones and everything. So they all get charged in a nice little neat cabinet out of the way. I was quite impressed, really. Apart from when I fitted it, the door started to warp. I don't know if this... So I did get a replacement one, but I'm not sure if this one's starting to warp as well. But yeah, there we go. Tell me what you think. Bit different to the other tech projects that I do, but still with tech involved.